So today we are going to make a vector animation part 2. So as you might have seen in my previous video, I taught how to do country expansion. But today I will teach you something else. This will get you morphed vector animation. So let's just get to it. Okay. So first let's get into a new project. Okay, first you can add your map. I got these maps on the Map Fusion Discord. You can go join it if you like. I will use this map as the background map, so you can get some really good vectors. Now I will add the Empire map, which for now I'm doing a China transition. So I'll just add the Empire's map, then I'll add the countries map below. In order to adjust it, I'll just decrease the opacity. Okay, now let's adjust it. Okay, you can take time in adjusting this. I'm just adjusting it quickly so this tutorial will be quick. Okay, now place the country map below and make a vector drawing. You can do whichever shape you like. I'm just doing one like this. Okay, now I'm just going to shrink this. I hope you can see what I'm doing here because it will be very important. Now I'll just add a disappearing like animation here. You have to make this one pretty precise if you want a morphing animation. So apply the same graphs and if you want you can add a grunge if you want, but I just don't want a grind, so I'll just group these, and you can decrease the opacity to adjust. Add the tiles. Now we can click mask it to see a preference. Um, okay, I just adjusted the flags like this, so you can adjust it however you want. I had a little bit of trouble while editing this, but that's okay for me. So now we group these. um, because I messed up, I have to add these symbols, so just please excuse me. Now you can tilt these, tilt this to here. Then split it, then add your other flag. Okay. Now that is done. Okay. My animation might be a little bit bad, but you can improve it by yourself. Now paste the curve. Okay. Please excuse me if you cannot understand a little bit. Okay, I created my animation. Now we just group everything except this map, then add your satellite map. I'm going to do a big satellite map for this. Then I'll just add a null to adjust it. You can add a solid color effect and decrease its opacity to adjust. Okay. Adjusting the maps is so hard, by the way. Then you can pair this one to the map and add keyframes. Other than that, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned a thing from this. So please subscribe to my channel.